Good morning, everybody. Monday morning, we are back and we are ready to roll with the market. We've got Nick F. Nick F. first in the chat today. Good morning, Nick F. Crypto Rocketeer, Mark Crypto. We got Cassie Crypto, Mark Crypto Burger, Paul, Mark, Paul, Outdoor Smile, Keith, Outdoor Smile, Paul, Cassie. What is going on, everybody? Glad to have you in here today. And let's see what we got going on in the market. We go over to Webull. We have AMC in the top left, trying its best to get back into green territory today. 23.23 right now, 23.25. Shiba Inu coin top right, sitting at 26.35, down 1.83% on the day. GameStop, bottom right down here, green. It is sitting at 1.43% higher. NASDAQ, soaring. Flying. The NASDAQ is looking beautiful right now. Bouncing off that level of support just like we expected it to. Boom. Moving to the upside right now, sitting 1.60% higher. Very nice there. We've got Prague down here, bottom left, sitting up $1.23. It is up 7.16% today. Farmy, 1509. Got some green candles coming in there. Sundial sitting at 6642. It is in the red territory, but it's all right. Sundial, I believe, did pass the House. Decriminalization of marijuana did pass the House. Mullen Auto sitting at $3 per share. CEI, 8140. The SPY's up 0.5%. BBIG, 305. And HYMC, Highcroft Mining, sitting at $2.05. Let's go. AMC's in the green. AMC in the green, baby. I love it. Let's see what we got going on down there. And back over here to Streamlabs. Good morning, Keith. Keith, how you doing today, man? You doing good? As kids, just kidding, folks. Thanks, but I don't do business logos. Home sweet home. Shredda is home sweet home. Sup, bros? How's it going, Edwin? It is going great, man. Actually, you know what, Edwin? It is going pretty good today. We've got the market. The market's doing very well, as indicated by the NASDAQ. The SPY is still up today, but the NASDAQ is soaring. AMC sitting up 1% higher. You know what, guys? You might not like 1% gains, but imagine if AMC only ever went up by 1% a day. It would be the best stock in the history of stocks. We could take 1% gains all day. We could take them all day, man, and it is nice to see AMC in green. So AMC sitting at 23.51 right now. We've got Mike Harris in the chat, baby. What's going on? Do you think we will test the $20 mark for AMC? Mike, I'm going to be completely honest with you, man. $20 is definitely doable, okay? 20 is definitely doable. We are right here, dude. We were in the red today, and as you can see in the top left, hopefully you can see it pretty easy. But we did come down, and we're right here, man. This level of support that we kind of tried to bounce through, you know, we did this morning, and we're back up to it right now. So if it acts as a level of resistance, I would say yes. 20 is the next line we've got on the, I know it says 1996, but, you know, it's that $20 area. If we do end up closing lower today, and we're not able to regain this $23 level of support, then I would say 20 is on the horizon, but it's not going to be impossible to bounce back above this $23 level of support and begin to move higher, especially knowing that the market is doing so well today. So that would be my guess on whether or not AMC sees $20 per share again. I bet you have allergies today, Clay, bro. Pugnacious. I don't know, man, maybe. You know, I did wake up and I sneezed like twice when I woke up today. And then I was on the couch this morning too, and I sneezed before I did my video. But I probably won't go outside at all today because it says it's raining and it was 40 degrees out. So I doubt I go outside. They get really bad when I go outside, man. Like especially if I go pull weeds out in the mulch beds and stuff. Like if I start to go pull weeds, yeah, the allergies do get pretty bad by this time of year. It's gonna get nasty, man. You guys are gonna start seeing me live stream. And yeah, like I have like some snot coming down my nose, and you guys gotta ignore it, man. You gotta ignore it. It is what it is. It's allergy season, man. It's allergy season. It's gonna last now until it starts snowing again. I'm not kidding. It's gonna last from now until it starts snowing again. I got Johnny Love to look you up during live stream. I don't know what Johnny Love is, Vengeance, but Johnny Love, if you're out there, I want to see me comb my hair real fast. Vengeance, thank you. Whatever that means, man. Talking about how high-strung you are, Clay, bro. Pugnacious. Listen, I'm not high-strung, okay? I really am not. But I'm also not going to lie. I do get excited to come on here and hang out, watch the market, have fun with friends, and I do like that part of it. So I do have a certain excitement when I do go live. But no, dude, no. I'm actually, like, if I'm not on, like, I'm not, like, walking around the house, like, lava lamp. Yeah, I'm not doing any of that stuff. It's just the fact that I really enjoy being on live stream and hanging out with everybody. So it's, I guess it translates over into, I guess, level of excitement that might seem like a little bit high-strung. I'm high-strung and low. What do you like to hang your clothes on the lower shelf? Or what are we talking about there, Vengeance? High on life. Mike Harris, that's exactly right, man. Enjoy what you do and get high on life. AMC sitting up 0.5% right now, 23.43. Shiba Inu coin, 26.30. GameStop, 168.48, up above 2% on the day. HYMC trying to claw its way back, bouncing off this $2 level a minute ago. Ooh, touched $1.95 this morning, sitting at 207 right now. I don't know where it closed at on Friday, but it's down. Okay, 207 plus 9 cents. Closed at 216. Got to get back above 216 if you guys want to break even on Highcroft mining there. But the NASDAQ is just loving the action today, man. NASDAQ sitting up 1.60% higher. We get Farmy at 15.10. Sundial still looking okay. Not doing terrible. Mullen Auto up 4% right now, right around that $3 mark. CEI down, SPY up. BBIG up. And Highcroft, we're watching that bottom left. Shiba is a perspective coin. It's going to rise again when no one expects. I'll advise you to buy and store. Remember, the current bull run is identical to the previous two. Crypto Burger. Facts, man. Facts. My ex-wife called it Coke. No. No, it's just excitement from enjoying what you got going on. That's all it is. Crypto Burger. Yeah, you could be right, though, man. Anybody watch the video this morning? Did anybody watch the video? Let me know if you watched the video this morning. If not, I have to go into more detail. But if you did, I don't have to go into as much detail. Harmony One prediction this alt season, 30 cents. Zachary, man. Mr. Luxinger. I don't know. I don't know anything about Harmony One, actually. So I don't know if it'll make it to 30 cents or not. Let's see where Harmony One is. Did you guys see that Stephen Cooper, they deleted all of their tweets? See, they deleted all their tweets about Shiba? I want to click on this. Yes. Yeah, very interesting. Very interesting, guys. Missed it. You missed the video. You got to watch the video, man. Good morning, all you glorious apes. What a wonderful day to be an ATER holder. Wish I could have averaged down more. What is ATER at today? Holy smokes, man. I saw it was up 8% pre-market, right? Where the heck did this come from? Yes. Today is a very good day to be a holder of ATER, up 60% today, running with over $233 million market cap, 78 million shares being traded today. Wow. ATER is on fire. Frodo holds ATER. Does anybody else in here hold ATER? I do not, but I wish I did based on this graph right here. This is incredible. Man, ATER does look very nice today. Is anybody holding ATER? Oh, man, you guys are slow this morning. Hey, guys, I got an idea. Wake up. Wake up. Anybody hold ATER besides Frodo? I do not, but I would really like to be involved in the gains that are happening on ATER this morning. That would be very nice. All right, let's see here. I did want to look. Yes. Yeah, very interesting, man. Very interesting. I don't know. It just makes you wonder. This here really makes you wonder why this guy got out of Shiba Inu coin after basically gaining 100,000 followers from Shiba Inu coin. I don't know, man. I don't know. Sorry, I must have dozed off. Yes, Mark. Yes, you must have, man. I'm awake. Dindy James, good deal. Wish I was holding some. Dindy, thank you very much for being the only person alive today. AMC Trapper, what's up, Clay Brown fam? AMC Trapper in the house, baby. What's going on, AMC Trapper? Beautiful Monday, man. Not into stocks. That looks like a really sexy curve. Disturbed PT. That is a very sexy curve, man. When you see a graph going up 60%, 63% on the day, about to hit new intraday high. It is a beautiful thing, man. You do have to watch out for this level here, though. This is a level of resistance that it's touching right here at the 380 level that it was touching earlier. Blew through this level here. Yeah, dude. I don't know, man. The stock could go on a little run. If it runs like it did here, that would be incredible. That would be incredible. Wow, could you imagine running this stock from $2 up to $48, $49? Oh, wow. Yeah, bring it back out on the daily there. Very nice, very nice. Yeah. ATER doing very well. Frodo, thank you for bringing some beauty to my eyes today because I love gains like that. AMC, break even. Highcroft Mining, down 5%. Shiba Inu Coin, trying to bounce back, down 2%. GameStop, 166.69, up 1%. So hopefully these, dude, when the GameStop's not even doing as well as the NASDAQ is, I don't know. It's a slow start to the morning. Traps BAT, whatever Traps BAT means. ATER was in the low 2s just a few weeks ago. Their book value is in the mid 3s. This is still a good short squeeze candidate and has been buzzing on Reddit with the short squeeze crew. God, man, anytime something buzzes on Reddit, listen, if you guys see something buzzing on Reddit, let me know. Let me know. I've watched too much crap buzz on Reddit and not try to take advantage of it. I'm awake, but it's Monday morning dealing with various technical difficulties. Cassie, it's all right. Get them worked out so you guys are here for the rest of the week. Good to go. Parlance, what's going on, my brother? Yes, see you, Mr. Popular. Oh, yes, Vengeance is popular. I'm really confused about Stephen Cooper dropping out. She was one thing that was giving them attention as far as I'm aware. I agree with you. 100%. Disturbed PT. ATER has proprietary AI software called Amy that tracks trends in online sales and products, especially on Amazon and Walmart.com. And the company either make that product better. Ooh. Company's making that product better. Keep going, Frodo. I want to know more about ATER and what they're doing. But I do want to say, look, I still think that Stephen Cooper did good things. I still think that he did good things because, they did have burn projects. And their burns were confirmed, okay? I know you guys are going to see a lot of crap on Twitter saying, oh, the postcards, man. You charge $6 for a postcard, and you only burnt $1. Well, yeah, but they said they were doing that. Like, they said they were doing that in those postcards. What they wanted to do, they were raising money, right? So they wanted to raise $5 profit from every postcard sale and use that to develop some sort of an app or something. But they made it very clear with everybody up front that thing was going to cost $6 and it was going to burn $1 and they were going to keep $5 worth of Shiba. Dude, if that's the worst thing that happened, who the heck cares, man? People knew what they were buying. They knew what they were contributing to. But they did burn. They did burn. They sent their, and I don't know what percentage it was, but they still did burn Shiba Inu coin. But I don't know why they dropped out, man. I don't know why they dropped. They could have continued burning, continued gaining followers, continued making a difference and having some fun. Part 2, or they buy out the company that makes the product. They own Squatty Potty, another home goods manufacturing company. Dude, they own Squatty Potty? They bought that. Didn't Lori Greiner, or whatever her name is from Shark Tank, didn't she own Squatty Potty? Is anybody actually, I've never used a Squatty Potty. I mean, you guys don't have to get weird with it, but is it a good thing? Has anybody ever used a Squatty Potty before? I've never used one. Any upcoming crypto projects that are about to be released? Me SM that I know of? No. I mean, anytime you look at brand new releases on CoinMarketCap, be careful, man. just be careful. Like, if you come over here to CoinMarketCap and recently added coins, all I gotta say is if you're looking for these brand new projects, just be very careful. Dude, St. Patrick coin. This coin was listed 5 hours ago, and it's already down 78%, right? The ownership of the smart contract is not renounced. These guys can change anything they want at any period of time, and it's only got a $40,000 valuation, so it's very risky. This black hole Dow, man, might be up 39% over the last 24 hours. You might check it tomorrow, and it might be worthless. Dogger token, up 100%. Might check this in a couple hours, down 50%. So these tokens are very dangerous, but if you want to look at getting into them, you absolutely can, man. But this is a good way to see tokens that have just come out. But you still got to remember, a lot of these projects can be very risky. This one down 50% in the last 24 hours. 40%, 50% in the last 24 hours. So dangerous plays, man, but dangerous plays make dangerous amounts of money. ATER stock price got hit because of supply chain issues last year, but fundamentals have been increasing as your short interest has been increasing as the price has gone down. Low float for a squeeze play. Nice. Frodo knows his stuff on ATER. And I'm not going to lie, dude. A 60% gain like today, sitting up 59% right now. Look, man, if you guys are in break even, I don't know. Like, I don't have the same dedication to this play as I do AMC. So knowing that you're bouncing off this level of resistance right here, if you don't think that you can, break it through, dude, you could probably get back in at $3.20 if it falls back down a little bit. So keep that in mind, man. Keep that in mind. Don't be greedy, but it still does have a lot of upside potential left if you guys are not in the green yet. If you are in the green, I mean, shoot, man, 60% gain in a single day. Beautiful. Disturbed PT says Floki Cat. Go get that Floki Cat, man. Yo, Lori Grenier can oh my gosh, vengeance. Calm down. Elon Musk started buying Twitter. Zachary, I did see, I heard something about that, like 9% so far. God, dude, anybody can go out there and drop 9, like buy 9% of Twitter is ridiculous. So, bro, Coinbase is going down. Cheaters. Aurelius. Coinbase is going down? What do they do? Oh, anybody in here from New York? I keep forgetting. You could trade a lot of different cryptos if you're in New York. You can trade them on Webull now. Let's see. I wouldn't mind another Shiba dip. I still need to grab my monthly bag. Disturbed PT. Do you get your Shiba at the same time of the month every month, or what do you do, man? Because Shiba Inu coin's sitting right here in this channel, trading between 2,800 points per coin, actually, and 2,500 points per coin. And so if it doesn't break through this 2,500 level, that could be a decent buy if you want to wait a couple days. If it does break that 2,500, you are looking at 2,200 again. So I keep an eye on that. If it doesn't bounce off 2,500 and move higher, you might be able to snag it back down here at this level of support. It's a very, very strong level of support. Okay? And then beyond that, it's going to be 2,000 to 2,200 is your channel there. So you got to keep that in mind if you're looking at getting Shiba Inu coin on a discount. ATER out. You got in and out? Is that what I got there? Let's see. I hate Coinbase. Outdoor Smile does not like Coinbase. I am from New York. Pull! Get to buying, man. Get to buying. You can buy, I don't know, I got an email the other day. I don't know if it's all of the cryptos, but you got a very large selection of cryptos that you can get in New York now. What's wrong with Coinbase? Dindy James, man. I guess some people don't like it. I really don't know what's wrong with them right now. Pika, hello, my beautiful kings and queens. I miss you all. Have an awesome day. Pika Power. We miss you too, Pika. Where you been? Come on, hang out with us, Pika. Not really, Paul. Only Buffalo is cool. Been to Buffalo one time. Got a passport. My deadline is usually around the 10th, but 0.00024 euro is going to ruin my average. 20 or less would be ideal. Disturbed PT, 20 or less would be nice, but I highly doubt you get to 20 points per coin, man. I highly doubt you get to the 2,000 points per coin level. Below that is what I'm saying. You know, because you got a decent level of support here, and you got that decent level at 22, and then below that, it is right at 2,000 points per coin. So not going to be easy to get it at 2,000 points per coin. Hopefully you make it, but if you don't kick yourself. Don't kick yourself over it. We've got the NASDAQ slightly steadying off there. GameStop is sitting here trying to move sideways along with the NASDAQ. Prog still sitting at 7% gain on the day. Farmy trying to pull back a little bit here. We get some increased volatility going on. Sitting at 15.02. There was a huge sell order at 15. So I am glad to see that it broke up through that 15 cent level. AMC top left sitting at 23.34, up 1/4% right now. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin both getting hit about 2% on the day. Sundial down here at the bottom left right now, 66.78. Bouncing off the 64 level, and now it might be steadily moving higher through the rest of the day, so we're going to have to keep our eye on that. It is currently down 4.60%. Mullen Auto, $2.98. CEI, 82 cents. SPY's up 0.5%. BBIG, 306. Well, was it 310? Pulling back a little bit there. And Highcroft Mining, we'll be watching that, sitting at $2.04 right now. As you post from Milkshake, you got Mad Rep on there, eh? Dindy. Maybe, are you talking about the one with like the Sailor Moon and people were tagging me saying that they liked my Shiba Inu coin videos, and then I tagged that little like Johnny Tuxedo guy looking at Sailor Moon like that, and then she threw the hard eyes out there. Is that what the one you're talking about? Or are you talking about a different one? I don't know which one you're talking about. Pika is in here. Don't tell me what to do. Kicks myself. Boom! Devil's Advocate in the house, baby. Devil's Advocate, what's going on, man? It's a beautiful Monday in the neighborhood, isn't it? Yes, it is. Longest waiting game I've ever played. Shredder, what are you waiting on, man? You waiting on AMC or Shiba Inu coin? Huge whale buys on BBIG. Big move coming. News Angel. I actually have no news on BBIG. Anybody got news on BBIG? I don't know if we got big whale buys coming in or not, but there were a lot of shares just bought on this level here. 237,000 shares traded hands in this minute right here as it shot up to $3.09. And then $3.10 right after on 100,000 shares. So you do have a lot of people coming in. It is bouncing back a little bit right now, but I'm not exactly sure if there's news out for BBIG right now or not. $3.05 is what you got on the chart there. Let's see, on Twitter. Yes, on Twitter. But which post was she talking about? Does Shib have any future left in it? Yeah, I do think it does. I believe it was a super recent. Period K did a video about the milkshake post. With me in it? Or one about the YouTubers in it? But yeah, everyone's saying Period claim the best. Flex on a baby. You guys can't see it, but my biceps like coming down my tricep area, feeling weak today. But Dindy, man. Dindy's building my confidence up. I like it. Ooh, Pika Power's back, and Alice is here too. Is beginning to think the ladies left me with all the boys. No, Cassie, never gonna happen. Backs on that. Bats on back. Slap on. Ooh, God, I really like Pika, man. I really like Pika. Dang it, Pika. I like it. Backs on that. Pats on back. Slaps on. Yes. Pika's amazing. Pika, I still love you in case you gave up. Yes. Well, Vengeance, you love everybody, man. Especially Lori Grenier today. But yes, everyone saw that. Congratulations on 3 months, Pika Power. I can't believe that Pika's been here for 3 months. What? Pika, it seems like just yesterday. Was watching your last video. I'm thinking to help promote Shiba, encourage people to use it to buy products at vending machines. They should put price in a burn percentage, 5%. Yeah, so Matthew, I would agree, man. I would agree. Anytime somebody can burn a portion like that, it would drive sales. To the extent that they're going to make up that 5%, I don't know, right? I don't know what their sales look like. And I guess they got people that would be smart enough to determine whether or not they think that they could increase revenue sufficiently to at least offset the cost, if not potentially generate more revenue and profit even higher if they offered a 5% burn. I have no idea what those numbers are. I wasn't joking, dude. I don't know the last time I've seen a vending machine. So I don't know anything about vending machines right now. But I do agree. If there was a burn percentage, people would be interested in it. But if the person buying from that vending machine doesn't know Shiba Inu coin, doesn't really care about Shiba Inu coin, doesn't really know the burns, that are associated with Shiba Inu coin, it may not push them to make that sale. Right? You see what I'm saying? Like, I don't know the audience that is, or where these vending machines are and their target consumer. So I don't know if they care about burns or not. These are all things that like the analysts that work at that company would have to determine. But I agree. If they could generate more sales to at least offset the 5% burn, do it. Do it, man. And I know 5% off a bag of chips, dude, they're going to end up burning pennies off of every transaction. But honestly, if they got 500,000 vending machines and they're going through a lot of bags of chips, dude, even if that's 500,000 bags of chips, 500,000 cents, you're burning a lot of coins. You're burning a lot of coins per day. So I do think that would be a pretty good idea, man. I like these things for the marketing aspects, you know? I like them for the marketing aspects. There's probably people going to that vending machine that has no idea, have never even seen the Shiba Inu coin logo, and it might make them just say, hey, what is this? You know, I've seen Bitcoin. I've heard of Ethereum, but what is this dog? Could work out well for us. Let's go, my apes. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. I know Clay won't read that the way it wrote it. What are you talking about? I did, man. Let's go, my apes. I know Clay won't read that the way I wrote it. Yes, I did. Worked Saturday, but had a great weekend and feeling great today. Hope everyone is good. Look at Chris, man. He acts like he's a stinking little fortune teller down there, knowing exactly what I'm going to say and what's going to happen in here. Chris, congratulations, because you got me, and you know me, man. You know me, and thank you very much for the super chat, man. Absolutely appreciate that, and we are here to go. It's going to be a good week, guys. It's going to be a good week. I can feel it. Invention says, oh, God. Invention's telling people to watch their mouth. Oh, boy. What is this world coming to? I have no idea what this world is coming to. Milkshake, that's who's your top YouTuber right now for Shiba. Yes, I did see that post, man. I did see that post. I didn't read through all of the, I didn't read through every single reply to it. But clearly I went through and liked the ones that were tagging me in it, because I absolutely appreciate that anytime somebody does. But nah, dude, Milkshake, look, man, I really like Milkshake. Milkshake is extremely active. Milkshake doesn't take like a prideful approach to things, and I do believe that, you know, these Shiba Inu coin developers, they've got a little bit of a prideful approach. And whether or not it's justified, I don't know. But, you know, like Satoshi, and I think this Penny dude, or whatever his name is, and some of these other guys, they do have a little bit of a prideful approach to it. But Milkshake, man, she's cool. She's cool. She's DM'd me before, and she's had nothing but nice things to say. And then she tweets a lot, man. She makes sure everybody stays up to date on what's going on out there. And it never seems to be a mentality of like, this, I'm right, you're wrong. Doesn't matter if it's decentralized. This is the way. This is the way. Boom. Yeah. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much, Outdoor Smile. This is the cryptocurrency blog today. We are here. We are trading in the bedroom, aka the office upstairs. We've got things going on right now. The chat is looking good. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much. Appreciate all that you do, man. Vlog style. I like it. Pika Power says, Glebro, let's see that unicorn. Hold on, I gotta straighten this back out. Oh, that's going to confuse me. I'm going to look all crooked the rest of the afternoon. All right, hold on. We got to do this. Pika Power says, let me see that unicorn. Pika, we got you. Pika, right here. Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready? Thank you very much, Pika Power. Absolutely appreciate that super sticker there. The unicorn is one of the favorites. I love McDonald's. Roulette wheel. That is good to know, because I don't love McDonald's, but as long as you love McDonald's, that is good. The last time I went to McDonald's was, I don't know what the day was, but I went to the zoo that day, and Mom stopped at McDonald's. She got everybody in the car some, what are those McDonald's boxes? Those meal boxes or whatever? Yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't know. I'm not a huge McDonald's dude, but they do have good fries. I'll give them that. Roulette wheel, thank you very much for that super sticker. Pika Power, Outdoor Smile, Chris, man, all of you guys, thank you very much for the super chats today. Appreciate you so much, more than you ever know. Trapper's got them diamond-handed apes, baby. Oh, yes. Peak of power, thanks. Yes, Cassie Vengeance, I care. You're the only troll that I like. Why does everybody like Vengeance as a troll so much? Vengeance, you must, dude, you must be like a really good troll. For some reason, you're not one of those like dudes that is like super annoying that gets yourself blocked or anything like that. Take that with pride, man. Take that with, I don't get it, but you got to take that in stride because you're doing something right, man. You're like one of those cool trolls on the internet that gives people a hard time, makes them feel a little weird, and then people are like, you know what, I like that guy. I like that guy. He's obsessed with vegetables, but I still like that guy. Whatever it is, Vengeance, we do like you, man. Zoo with mommy in the family house suite. The AMC Trapper. It was a lot of fun, dude, but I'm telling you, you got like nieces and nephews running around, and they all want piggyback rides, and, it's like, it's 78 degrees outside, 80 degrees outside, and it's hot, and you got to carry water bottles, and you got to carry, like, these kids on your back. Telling you, dude. Telling you. It could be a long day, Trapper. It could be a long day. He is no rhino. Yes, he is no rhino. D, what is McDonald's? Is that for foods? Also, we need more USA people's investors to make purchases of Shibs. Let's go to the Mars, everybody. Okay, let's go. D Gordon says we can go, guys. D said blast off time right now. So it's time to go to Mars with D Gordon. He gave us permission. It's because I'm attractive. Vengeance. I knew there was a reason, man. I knew there was a reason. I didn't know what it was, but I'm glad you told me what the reason was. I think it was 3 or more years since I went to McDonald's. I found a melted plastic spoon in my burger, and they offered me a free burger to fix it. Nice. I would have just given you another spoon, Cassie. I would have just given you a non-melted spoon. You could have had the same burger and pulled the spoon out, and I would have just given you a new spoon. What's up, bro? Just tuning in. What's your take on BBIO? Looks rocket. I'm not gonna lie, Oscarini. I don't know what BBIO is. We talking stock? We talking crypto? Pharmaceuticals. Look, dude. So you are at this level right here, which is gonna be a dangerous level of resistance on its way back up from this gap down. Okay. Beyond that, if you actually do break this level here, you could at least see a run up to 17, which is going to be an excellent gain. Are you going to make it back to 38, 40 bucks? I have no idea. Pharmaceutical companies are extremely dangerous because they rely almost solely on news. If you get a report that the FDA didn't approve something, boom, you're going to lose 60%, 80% of your value overnight. If you get news that the FDA did approve something, boom, dude, you could 5x overnight. So if you're willing to take risks like that, I mean, sure, go for it. But I truly think that pharmaceutical companies are very big risks. Let's see. AR, thank you very much for the super chat. AR, man, if you got a shout out, if you got a question, if you got anything, let me know what it is and make sure, guys, that I see what AR's got to say there. But thank you very much, AR. Absolutely appreciate you, man. Nufo says, Shiba Inu to Pluto. Ahoo! Yes. Guys, the Ape Father left us with a beautiful melody there. AMC to Pluto. Ahoo! Yes. Ape Father, shout out to you, man. Thanks for keeping it real, and thanks for doing you. Other smile, remember when he went to the zoo that day? Probably do, man. I made a video about it. I talked about it. You guys remember the good old times, man. Does anybody remember when that was? I actually posted that video on my Instagram. That is, I was at the zoo when I posted that video. I thought I was taking a picture, but it was actually a video. Oh, gosh. 50 cent in pennies is worth $1.50 in weight of copper. Clowny. See, this I did not know, man. This I did not know. So are people, like, buying pennies up and then burning them down and selling them for copper? Because why would they not do that? What's a fire? What's a fire? What's a fire? My Sue tickles. I don't know what a fire or Sue tickling could be, man. Crypto Racketeer, what's going on? Crypto Racketeer, my guy. Boom! AMC Drab Nosy dabs on him. Oh, yes. Can you run the numbers again, Clay? Yeah, Shredder. I can run the numbers on whatever you want, man. But which are you talking about? Shiba? Are you talking about AMC or what? Zoopals. A ribbit, Zoopals. Wolf, Zoopals. Zoopals make eating fun. Vengeance. Zoopals do make eating fun. I think. Bottom right, GameStop got a little red candle coming in here, along with AMC, red candle on both of those bad boys right there. The NASDAQ still doing extremely well today, holding its head above 14,490, about to break 14,500. Are we getting resistance in this 14,500 area? Yes. Yes, we do. This 14,500 is right here, guys. As you can see, we bounced off this level here, but I want to let's put this line back up here. So this line right here, I'm going to make it bigger so you guys can see it a little bit. Let's clean a couple of these up. We don't need all of them. So this line, this smaller line is what we broke through, or what we bounced off of. This line right here, boom, touching it here, touching it, is what we are touching right now. Could be resistance at 14.5. If we break through it, shoot, we could have a pretty nice day. I imagine we're going to have a pretty nice day anyway, being up 1.6% already. But I'm talking, we could hit 15,000. Not necessarily today, but following a breakthrough of this 14.5 level. Which is what I hope to see. It's what I hope to see. Gains for you, gains for me. It's what I hope to see. Peak of power. Peak of power. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Peak of power. Thank you very much for the super sticker there. It's just a cute one. I mean, I'm not going to lie. That's a cute one right there. The little heart says thank you. Thank you, Peak of Power, for that super sticker. Around June of last year. That does sound right, man. That does sound right. It was nice out. I can't believe it was June, though. I went to the zoo. I think I went to the zoo twice last year. The one time I went to the zoo, and I don't know if this was the time when I took that video or not, but the one time I went to the zoo, I got sick right after. I was sick for like 2 days after that. Was that June? I thought that was a little later. Maybe it was June, because it feels like it was a long time ago. Peak of Power said, it's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Peak of Power, thank you very much for the diamond. Love that super sticker. Guys, Peak of Power wants to know if anybody else is hard like a diamond out there. Moto Lifer, what's going on, man? Moto Lifer's got love for Pika, and he's got a boom for Clay. I love it, Moto Lifer. What's up, man? And Pika's got to send some hearts back to you or something. I can't send them on her behalf, man. I can't show some love from Pika to you, but I can. Boom! Hit you with one of those bad boys. Zachary grabbing that green name. Guys, this is what I love to see. 72 of you guys in here right now. You already know what time it is. Zachary grabbed that green name. Everybody, welcome Zachary to the chat right now. Zachary, you're the absolute man. Thank you for grabbing that green name. Absolutely appreciate it. And hopefully, everybody in here gives you a nice welcome, guys. Take 2 seconds, even if you're on audio only right now. Try and send a little welcome to Zachary right there. And thank you very much, man, for grabbing that green name. Love all the green names out there. I didn't see what Vengeance said, man. Didn't see what Vengeance said. Darn it. Nufo says, Clay, I want to see you and AMC Trapper having a good day today. You got a banana. Nufo, appreciate you, man. I'm thinking about you, but you know who I'm looking at. Trapper, this one's for you, man. Blink and stick technique. You got the banana? Lick it. Stick it. AMC Trapper, Nufo. Well, I can't thank AMC Trapper for it. Nufo, thank you very much for the banana super sticker, man. Absolutely appreciate you. And look at this, man. Clibro thinks he's Nickelback. I am Nickelback, man. I am Nickelback. I wish I was Nickelback. Nickelback is so cool, dude. One of these days, I will be half as cool as Nickelback. Let's see. God, Nufo throwing that. Nufo's drooling. I don't know. Nufo must have just woke up. PayPal screwed things up a lot. It'd take forever to get it corrected. Really annoying. Roulette wheel. I never really have too many problems with PayPal. I can't. I don't know. I can't complain too much. Welcome, Zach. Now, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Yes, everybody welcoming Zach, man. Appreciate all of you guys and took the time to welcome him. Dindy says, welcome. Kyle says, welcome. MC Trapper, Matthew, AR, Mark. Yes, thank you, guys. D. Gordon says, welcome. Pika says, welcome. AMC Trapper is saying, oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. But that's what he's typing in the chat. But he's like, oh, yes. Oh, yes. We know he is. Angel, we got, thank you, BBIG, 75% dark pool trading, and it's green. Something crazy is about to happen. I've never seen anything like this. Angel, look, I don't have any BBIG, but if you guys make some BBIG money, let's get started. I do know some people have BBIG in here, so if you guys do, amazing, man. I would love to watch it run with you. My neighbor and I discussed buying Prog this weekend. We are giving it serious thought. He thinks he can just bounce back to $5 by mid-May. Do they have any big announcements coming up? Actually, if Devil's Advocate's in here, he would probably know whether or not they have any big announcements. They fell pretty hard recently on their earnings report, okay? That's why you did see the big decline going back down to about, I think it was like $1.11 or $1.16 that they hit in the low. But they had their earnings report after hours this day, and then they opened up the next day all the way down here. Came down to about, it looks like $1.11 is what they came down to. And, look, I don't know if they're going to be able to bounce right back up to $5 per share, but, dude, if they do, you're sitting at $1.20 right now. That's going to be an amazing gain. A 5x gain would be incredible. So, yeah, honestly, though, I don't know if they have any big announcements coming up or not. Peak of Power, thank you very much. Peak of Power, thank you very much. For some reason, guys, that one might be even weirder than the cat, but I have no problem doing that. The cat one I feel weird doing, but like barking like a dog, I have no problem doing that. Bro makes time fly. Boom, Cassie. How has it been 10 months? How has 10 months flown by so quickly? Cassie, you're absolutely right. Pretty soon, guys, it's going to be like, 45 years. Oh, my goodness. AMC Trapper, thank you for the banana. 45 years going strong. We gotta mash it up a little bit before we do anything to it. It's too hard to swallow. I'm telling you guys, it's going to be crazy. Time really will fly. Moto Lifer says, Claybro, let's see that unicorn one more time. Let's see that unicorn one more time. He said, I wish Lauren was in here. Where's Lauren at? She loves these unicorns. Guys, we got the unicorn. Hold on. We got to flatten this out a little more. Let's really get a good unicorn here going. Oh, yeah. You guys ready for this? Moto Lifer, man. Thank you very much for the unicorn. Absolutely appreciate all the super stickers, guys. That unicorn one, that's fun, man. That's fun. I don't care who's watching. You doing the unicorn is fun. If you guys are having a bad day and you do the unicorn, I can guarantee you can't do that unicorn or the PDP in a bad mood. There's no way that is absolutely. There's no way you can do it. Pika Power has my mega chats. Thank you for the supports because this is the best chance. D, thank you, man. Thank you. Pika Power says this one. We gotta listen. Salt is very good, guys. Salt's very good, and salt also brings good luck, but you have to pour the salt out on the table. You have to pour the salt out on the table and then throw it over your shoulder if you want good luck, but because salt tastes so good, you gotta... Oh, man, no. Every time it gets in your eye, it stings. And I'm telling you, you got to keep it closer to your eye because it's bad news. Pika Power, thank you very much for the super sticker. Wait, after 45 years, we haven't squeezed yet. I will cry. Also, be careful doing the PDPs. You might blow out your hip. Frodo, that is actually good advice there, man. It'll be like a little bit more of a LPDPD, LPDPD, LPDPD. LPDPD. Dude, I hope I'm not that slow 45 years from now. Come on, man. What am I going to be, like 77? Nah, dude, I'm going to be LPDPD. Yeah, man, we're still going to be jamming 45 years from now. JB, man. 10 months super. Remember, chat, no way I've been a member for only 7 months. 10 months, JB. 10 months. YouTube is messed up for 3 months, man. YouTube is messed up. I don't know why YouTube thinks it's 3 months old, but YouTube is like lagging for 3 months for some reason. JB got that 10-month super chat, or 10-month member chat, man. Thank you very much, JB. Okay, when I was typing the message, it said 7 months. Yeah, it's really weird. Cladinho, Dabrozinho, Simonino, Minha Amiguinho. How you doing, Simon? Congrats, JB. Heck yeah. Bucky in the house, baby. Good morning, Claybro and AMC family. Joseph, good morning to you, man. Glad to have you in here. 10 months, JB. It said that when I sent mine, but I knew it had been longer. Yeah, I don't know why they're messing up with 3 months. Cannabis stocks will explode soon. Hey, yo, Papo. I do not own any Sundial. If it explodes, man, I would like to own Sundial as it's exploding. I mean, didn't it just tap 90 cents a couple days ago? Now it's back down to 60. I mean, it could be presenting you guys with a buying opportunity if you wanted to get back in here. This was really a buy the rumor, sell the news type deal here. running up to 80, almost 90 cents. On the rumor that the decriminalization will be going into the House. House passes it, and it's sitting down here at 66 cents today. So a lot of volatility going on with Sundial. If you guys are still in it, hopefully you get some Senate action, and then that would really drive it higher. If you have the diamond hands with Shib, I'll be happy because it's going to go back in the year 2030 or maybe earlier, and you'll have stacks of cash. I believe it can happen. I hope it can happen, man. I hope everybody in here has stacks of cash. And Shiba, AMC, BBIG, ATER, whatever you guys are in Sundial, they all just rip through the roof, and you guys make bank. Click. Did you hear the House passed? A bill to legalize? But I'm not sure. Yeah. So Clowney, man, I did see that, but once it hits the Senate, man, the Senate did not pass it before, so I don't know if it's gonna make it through or not. I mean, if it doesn't, you got a very good chance of seeing this decline here continue, but the House did pass, so it's a step in the right direction if you guys are in marijuana stocks. Wait, you say it's legal. So Dindy? No, not yet. Passed through the House, still has to go through the Senate, and then as far like if it passes through the Senate, I think that it's still up to the president to either veto or push it through. But it made it through like one of the 3 steps that it has to make it through. Now they're gonna go through the Senate, and they're gonna be like, well, you know what would be a good idea? Maybe if we pass this, and then we just we give you guys like a $40 trillion climate bill along with decriminalization of marijuana. Like what do you have to repackage it for? Nobody knows. The decriminalization bill will be tough to pass the Senate. Frodo, I agree, man. Especially if they try to, hijack it with anything else. Yo, put the gold mine back. Is it not there? What I got? Oh, I got Sundial there. I thought I had it there. Gold mine back on the chart right here. $2.03. AMC sitting down 1.22%. Bouncing back from the earlier lows today. Was it $21.95, sitting at $23 per share. The Highcroft mine, the gold mine, was at $1.95, sitting at $2.04 right now. So both of these stocks really bouncing back from the earlier lows that they were hitting today. Hopefully, they can both continue to the upside. Shiba Inu coin top right, 26.31. GameStop bottom right, 167.06, up about $1 or 1.25%, not $1, sorry. BC Bud, B, whatever that means. If it passes the Senate, pot stocks will see. Yeah, dude. If it passes the Senate, you're gonna want to have some pot stocks. I mean, there's almost no doubting that or no denying that whatsoever. If it passes the Senate, you're gonna see soaring, flying. Pot stocks will be high, but gosh, I'm so lame, dude. I need to become a dad or something just so I can say all these dad jokes. Like, pot stocks are going to be high. Ha, 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 ha. Yes. Fingers crossed for the pass. I believe it is medicine. It can help people, though I have never used it. Cassie, I don't know. I think some of the ways that some people use it, I don't know if they use it as a medicine. Cindy James, I am in the U.S., and I am too. Something. And so Cindy James, I'm Canadian, so I'm baked all the time. AMC Trevor says he's in the U.S. and he's all the time too. Oh my gosh. Oh, goodness gracious, guys. Goodness gracious. I don't know about all you people out there. BC Bud is British Columbia wheat. Dindy, gotcha, man. Gotcha. I actually had no idea what British Columbia wheat. Gotcha. BC Bud is weed from British Columbia. Nice pot joke, Clay. Frodo, gotcha, man. I got you. This is a terrible pot joke, dude. Heck yeah. Dustin coming in here saying heck yeah. Let's see. I don't understand why nobody's out here buying farming. You guys like mushrooms, right? You guys like mushrooms? Go buy farming. Make this stock go back to the upside. It's been sitting really low for so long now. I need some action here. Who wants to spend like 2 months with no action? We've got the NASDAQ doing very well today, though. NASDAQ's up 1.57% right now. GameStop, 167. Prague, $1.21. Farmy, 1503. AMC, 2291. We got all 3 of our cryptos down today. Sundial, 66. Mullen, 303. CEI, 82. SPY, 455. SPY getting hit over the last 5 minutes. And BBIG, 304. Highcroft Mining, 204. Only 45 likes to be... Oh, man. Shih Tzu Inu, thank you for reminding everybody to click that like button. Don't be lame, guys. Don't be lame. Please click the like button. Clay. Where are you from, Clay, bro? Dindy, Ohio, man. I'm from Ohio. It's colder than a wind. Whoa! In a bra, doing push-ups in the snow. Vengeance, that sounds like it would be extremely cold, man. Sounds like it would be extremely cold. I don't want to get involved in that. That just sounds way too cold for me. I used to self-medicate with this stuff all the time. Now I no longer partake. However, when AMC squeezes, I may head to the dispensary and just spark up a spliff. What? Spark up a spliff. Whatever that means, dude. Clay's dedication to farming is unparalleled. JP, man. Listen. They got. I believe I have about. Is it 2 full weeks? Let me see. Hold on. I gotta pull up the calendar. Yeah, I got 2 weeks left, man. I got 2 weeks. They're either going. They're asking for a 25-for-1 reverse split. They got a shareholder meeting on April 15th. Clearly, I voted no. Okay. If they do not get the reverse split, they're either going to be delisted, the stock's going to go down, or they're going to be forced to do some sort of a buyback to regain compliance. So my options is a delisted and the stock goes down. It gets its reverse split, and then they dilute the crap out of the stock again, and it goes down. Or they use their own money, and they get the stock back into compliance. So I got 2 weeks, dude. I got 2 weeks. Simple as that. My dedication has a timeline on it. We have to see what the result of this vote is. Weed smells bad as cigarettes. Well, I don't think weed smells good. Hoorah, you gotta get in the weed game a bit. Dindy James, I do not have to, man. Come on, though. Kill the algorithms. JJ, they can't be killed, man. They can't be killed. You cannot kill that which is not alive. That is true. ATR is oh my gosh. There's no way it broke out more. Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Yes, dude. ATER is broken out on the day. It is 63% higher right now. Gotta break this 87-cent line, $3.87, and then it really could break out. It is sitting at a level of resistance here, so you guys can see this area back in here. Boom, touched it. Boom, touched it. Boom, touched it. Touched it. Touched it. Touched it. Touched it. All the way down here. So this $3.80 up to $4 level might be tough to break, but if it does, boom, you guys could be going to $5, $6 pretty simply. Not the page that I wanted there. This is the page that I wanted. Only been in crypto since January, holding Shiba Inu, Volt, and Shib Toro. Made 0 profit so far. Be patient, I suppose. Kyle, honestly, man, being in since January, it's probably better than getting in back in October when Shiba Inu coin was running and you're getting in at 8,800 points per coin. You would have gotten into the cheaper price. So yes, no crypto has done exceptionally well in that time frame. So you're not too bad off, man. Bad time next year. Yes. Roulette wheel, I also agree. Clever, why does Shiba Inu adjustment on Shiba Inu not subtracting all the burns from the supply? So, Joseph, I think the supply that you're looking at doesn't go all the way out. That 500 and whatever trillion coins that you're looking at, it's in trillions, man. And we haven't even burnt 100 billion yet. We've only been burning, like in our best months, about 1 billion tokens. So we still have a long way to go before we even get into that like 549 trillion number. We've got a lot to burn. So, I mean, you got to burn 1,000 billion just to get 1 trillion burnt. And if we burn a billion a month, that's 1,000 months. So we got a long way to go for the burns to take the supply down. Hello, Clay, bro. I'm wondering if anyone else in here in this group is locking leash tokens to get first access to Shib lands in the metaverse. I am. Wayne? Yeah. I mean, is anybody else locking leash in here? I do not own any leash, so I'm clearly not locking any leash. But I'm sure there will be people that are partaking. I believe that last I saw, they said about $4 million in leash has already been locked. Darn, Clay, AMC is literally stepping downwards since the stream started. Crypto Racketeers, okay, because when I stop the stream, it's going to start going back up, man. No joke. It's going to start going back up as soon as I stop the stream. ATER pops only after dropping 89% from the $19 high from the last push. Dang. Well, ATER is on the rise right now. So if you did get in anywhere, I guess, in the last... Actually, if you get in anywhere in the last 3 to 4 months, you're still probably doing pretty well. Because going all the way back to like the beginning of January, you're about to break even now. Even if you got in at like the highest point back here. So if you got in ATER anywhere in 2022, you either are positive or about to be positive. That's not bad. I mean, that in a 1 day's gain, that's not bad. But if you are green and you've been sitting red for a while, I mean, I don't know if you want to hold ATER or not, but dude, take profits, man. Like, protect your profits. Don't let it go all the way back down to $2.50 today, and you're still holding it, please. This dude was drunk, and I bought a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT, faker, and then my neighbor's, she's a nice lady, though. Oh, God. She sounds like a nice lady, Moto Lifer. She sounds like a nice lady, man. Oh, jeez. Receiving an email from a financial advisor from E-Trade asked me to check out my ticker symbols. Yin and Yang need to change brokers. Johnsontown. Yeah, I agree. Use the link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposits can get you 5 free stocks right now. Any $1 crypto trade get you $5 in free crypto. Check that out. Yeah, glad I got in lower prices though. Kyle, I would agree on that. What happens when Amazon does a stock split? So, Dindy, if that's approved and they go through the stock split, the price of Amazon, I believe it was 1 for 20. I'm not exactly sure if it was 1 for 20 or not. I think Amazon's trading around $3,000. Yeah, 3,300. So if it's a 1 for 20, man, the stock and all of this historical data is going to get cut by a factor of 20. So this is going to be trading around, what is it going to be? $170, $160. So it's going to be trading around $165, $170 per share, and all of this historical data gets split as well. If you own 1 share of Amazon and you own 1 share right now, in that case, you would own 20 shares of Amazon at the $160, $170. You still own $3,336 worth. It's just the fact that you own 20 shares at $150, $160, $170 as opposed to owning 1 share at $3,000. That would be, what you'd have to look out for in the Amazon split. And I think it was 1 for 20. It could be 1 for 10. I might be wrong on those numbers. Burns are meant to attract new vendors to accept Shiba in exchange for exposure to the Shiba Army's millions of holders. Wayne, I like it, man. I like it. I want to attract as many vendors as possible. Kyle, give your assets time to grow. Do your own research and avoid FOMO. Alice in Wonderland. Spoken like a true professional. Guys, leave him alone. Clay's a good boy. Doesn't do alcohol or weed, at least at the moment. Yeah, that is true. Give him a break and don't be a pusher. Dude, nobody can push me. I take weed pills for arthritis pain, so I have nothing against it. Yorkie, nice, man. Nice. I'd protect my profits if I had any. JB! Dang, man. JB's still holding out. JB, we're down on prog, man. I don't have ATER. But down on ATER, oh man, it's tough, dude. It's tough. They'll be bouncing back. Buying bone when Shibarium starts, it is going to moon. Shitsu Inu. Yeah, it most likely will benefit from bone being used to pay the gas fees. Over the very, very long term, it will affect the price, but not soon. Advantage is the receipt of a large database Shiba Army in exchange for burning. Creator may never meant for holders to burn their money. Dude, I hope the creators don't want people to burn their money. Club buying Loop Ring. I do not own any Loop Ring, man. I would not be opposed to getting it, but I don't own any or have any plans to buy it right now. On a fraction of $100 of Amazon. Very nice. Ayo, Papo. In that case, if you do not own at least 1/20th of Amazon, you may just have your shares bought, and then you'd have to go back in and buy a new share. Depending on what that looks like. Ayo, Papo. So Dindy, Amazon would be doing that just to make it more accessible. Usually if a stock's price gets so high like that, Some people would rather own one full share as opposed to buying a fractional share. So they may, just to make it more accessible and increase demand, is really the reason a lot of companies would do a split to bring the stock price back down. But if you own a fractional share, like if you own $100 and you don't even own 1/20th of a share, if it does split like that, depending on the fractional shares that would be out there, then they may just buy those back and you'd have the $100 cash in your portfolio instead of a fractional share of Amazon. You're going to have to look at the details of the split. But Pika Power, thank you very much, Pika Power. Absolutely appreciate the super sticker. She's very creative. She has some of the best anecdotes. Cassie is queen of the chat today. Boom! Check her out. Check out her online store. Search Magical Unicorns on Zazzle. Congrats on 10 months. Thank you, man. Pika Power is absolutely amazing, man. Pika is incredible. Pika Power, thank you very much for the super sticker or super chat. And it is true, guys. If you want to check on Twitter as well. I mean, you guys can check it out on Twitter too. I don't even really know what Zazzle is, but you can check it out on Twitter too. Magical Unicorns out there. Cassie, thank you very much. And Pika Power, absolutely amazing. God, Pika spreads so much love. It's incredible. Pika, you're a queen. Let's see what happens with the 1348 crossover on the 5 minute of the gold mine. Very, very interesting. We get the gold mine down here. Oh no, let's go back out here so we get the 1348. Highcroft, HYMC. I found it. Highcroft, 5 minute, 1348 crossover right here. Crypto Rocketeer. Let's see what happens. So, dude, you can already see we've crossed. Boom, once, fell back down, crossed again right here. So we did cross again twice today, and let's put our line on there. See where we're at. We got in confirmation right here. So 207. Let's see what happens on the 5 minute. Crypto Rocketeer. You might have to remind us in the afternoon stream to come back and check that out there, but we are watching it. Dindy James, man. Thank you. You're number one. Thank you very much, Dindy James. Appreciate that super sticker, man. I never know what that little guy's saying. Like, is he like, you're number one? What's up? I never know what that guy's saying there. But thank you. Vengeance says Prague is running. Is Prague running right now? We've got Prague sitting up 7% on the day. $1.22, up 7.02% right now. Not bad at all. Down there in the bottom left. Prague up 7%. 7% gains. Good with me, man. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Push my midget neighbor off a cliff. The 3 rules of the market are golden. Follow those rules, Johnstontown, and you will be making money. Crypto Rocketeer just saw your pick on the big screen. Cheers, my friend. Cheers. I did not see what the pick was. Darn it, but cheers to you, Crypto. Oh, he's doing cheers. Cheers to you, my friend. Let's see. Are naked shorts going to lose all of their butts on this split? So Megalotone, the GameStop split, right? The GameStop, some people are referring to it as a split. The way they're wanting to set it up would be a dividend, okay? And dividends are very similar to splits, but the historical price does not get split when a company pays a dividend. And the fact that they're paying it out in shares would be, where the confusion of a split comes in. But historical data doesn't split during dividends. Shorts, probably not going to get killed during this share dividend. Now, illegal shorts or naked shorts, yes, they could get killed during this split or this dividend, sorry. And really, these naked shorts would only get killed if they're in great excess of the shares outstanding, okay? It's going to be, a lot of people think that it's going to be expensive for the shorts to cover these dividends. Well, let me just tell you, if it's a 1-for-1, if you've got a share of GameStop at $160 and they do a 1-for-1 where you get one share of GameStop for every share of GameStop that you own, your share of GameStop is going to go down to $80. So the shorts, they just made $80 a share on the price falling down to $80. It is a legit move to the downside. It's not going to affect you in your holdings because yes, you did lose $80 a share, but now you have 2 shares. So you're still at break even there. The shorts, they just gained $80 a share, but they have to pay a share. They have to go out there and give you another share for $80. So they do have to go out and buy another share for $80 and give that to you then, because they owe the dividends that are out there. But if it turns out that there are, naked shorts in excess of the float, in excess of the shares outstanding, yes, it will destroy the shares that are out there, the short shares that are out there. They will not be able to go out there and buy up 5 billion shares of GameStop in order to deliver those dividends. So you got to keep that in mind, man. It will destroy them if they're in excess of the float. If they're not in excess of the float, I mean, they're basically not losing anything. Johnsontown, oh my goodness, I don't think I agree with that third rule. I guess I don't really agree with that third. Well, Cassie, I don't know, man. If I want to improve my portfolio, it's just something else that I could test, I guess. Robinhood and Shiba Inu will explode to 1 cent soon. A massive Shiba Inu price prediction 2021 and huge Shib news coming. I just copped another 247 million tokens of Shiba Inu before going parabolic. Crypto burger, let's get it, man. Dude, if you just grabbed another 247 million, I hope it does go parabolic and you absolutely kill it, dude. Cheers, Paul. Boom, go crypto burger. Heck yeah, we live in the Matrix. I swear, I just saw a glitch. You probably did, roulette wheel. The green screen there, I just saw a glitch too. The gold mine looking good. Crypto Racketeer, the gold mine is looking good right now. Sitting at 215. You would have gotten in at 207 on that 5-minute crossover. See, the thing is, man, let's see if we can... Does Highcroft have options? Yeah, Highcroft does have options. So let's just say you would have grabbed some April 14th. No, let's just say you would have grabbed them for this week. So man, I don't like this spread on these. That's tough. I don't really like the spread on these options here. Might be tough to make some money there. All right, so let's just say you did buy shares. Forget the options. You're still going to have to know where your get in and get out point is, man. Up 7 cents, you're making about 3% right now. 7 cents? Yeah, roughly 3%. You're making about 3% on your trade. Rock on, Crypto Burger. Oh, yes, there are naked shorts. We all saw Adam Aaron and drop his back. Well, Megalotone, if you listen, I'm not basing my trade on something that hasn't been or can't necessarily be proven. So if you are, and there are naked shorts, this dividend's going to be epic. If you're not, and you're a little bit more conservative, this dividend could still be epic, right? But if you're not, and you're not basing your trade on it, I mean, even if this dividend doesn't do anything to expose them, you're still in the exact same trade that you've been in. If it does expose them, dude, you just put ice cream all over your cake, man. You're about to have the best party ever. Cardano is climbing to the moon. Let's get it, Yorkie. Hello, Clay. What do you think would be a fair value for AMC stock today without squeeze? Cheers. Yeah, listen, Diego, man, I don't like AMC for its fundamentals. And I don't know if I would say $2 necessarily, but I would say something low, okay? I truly don't like AMC for its fundamentals. I would not own any AMC if there was not a short squeeze in play. So $2, dude, I don't have a problem saying $2. I definitely don't have a problem saying $5. I don't like a company that owes like 5 times its revenue in debt. AMC is not in a great position with their balance sheet and in their income statement right now. They're not making money. They're burning cash. They got $5.4 billion in debt and another $5 billion in rent and deferred rent. So they're in a tough position when it comes to their fundamentals. Your equity is negative. They have more debt than they have assets. You got to remember that too. Your debt is negative. When you buy a share of AMC, you're buying debt. You're buying debt. You're not buying any assets. So I am not a fan of their fundamentals. So $2, $1, whatever when it comes to fundamentals. I'm here for an AMC Stock Short Squeeze, though. What is a naked short? Dindy James. Naked short, man. A regular short position would be if you loaned me your share and then I sold it to Paul and I sold it short. I never owned that stock. I borrowed it from you and sold it to Paul. And I sold it to him at $23. I hope it goes down and I'll buy it back off of Crypto Rocketeer and give it back to you. Then I made $1 a share, whatever. A naked short is I don't even borrow it off of you, but I sell it to Paul. And Paul, technically, he's got a share in his brokerage account, but he actually never got that share. He's just got like a fake share in his account right now. Now, I get hit with an FTD because I failed to deliver that share to him. And I have a while to go back out and find a share to go out and cover that failed to deliver with. So the main difference is whether or not I borrowed the share from somebody in the first place. If I don't borrow the share off of you and sell it to Paul, it's naked. If I do borrow the share off of you and sell it to Paul, it's completely legal. But, guys, it is 1 o'clock. Oh, man, I'm with you. I'm only here for Squeeze. Plus, I don't trust Adam Aaron. Once this is over, peace out. Boom! Make as much money as possible, guys. We will be back this afternoon. I want to say thank you to everybody that hung out. Thank you to Pika. Thank you to Chris. Thank you to everybody that was sending super chats today. Appreciate all of you guys. Don't forget to click the like button on your way out. Not sure how many likes we have right here. 54 likes, 77 people in here. At least get it above 60, guys. Let's get some shout-outs going on, and then we'll be back in a couple of hours. And thank you all once again. Dindy James, man, Megalotone, Allison Wonderland, Jose Garcia, guest name, Juicy Trades, Paul Diego, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. We got JB, AMC Trapper saying peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes. Sammy Boy, see you later. Pika Power, see you later. Enjoy it, and thank you very much for earlier. Paul, see you later. Mark, Nick F. Goodbye to you, Nick F. Glad to have Nick F. sitting in here the whole stream. I like it. Allison Wonderland, Frodo, see you later. Dindy James, Pika Power. Cassie is queen today. Yes, Cassie is queen today. Cassie, see you later. Keith Kemp, man, see you. SD, if you're listening. Stephanie, if you're listening. Lauren, if you're listening. Hope all of you guys have a wonderful afternoon. We will be back. Paul, see you later, man. Thank you as well. Paul says, let's get started. We'll be getting started about the 3 o'clock hour, man. But you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.